Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can get a notification when I upload a video and go live. If not, welcome back and thank you for supporting me. Today's video is going to be on the Garnier Green Labs. And I got this box from Influenster. Influenster is a website that anybody can sign up on and get free products for review. You don't have to pay or anything. You don't have to pay for shipping, nothing like that. But I do know, like, the more subscribers you have, the better chances it is of you getting a box. But if not, you can go in there and leave reviews on products you've already bought before, and that will increase your chances of getting a box as well. I got this in the mail a few days ago, so I'm just going to do a live unboxing on my channel right now. And I don't know what campaign they was running. They send you an email when they think you're fit for a campaign, and then you just answer the questions on the questionnaire. And they'll tell you if you're in or not. Lately, they haven't been telling me that I'm in. They've just been sending the boxes, which I don't know if that's their new process now. But, yeah. So this is the little card that they have in here. And it looks like it's about 3 types of products on the actual box in this little system or whatever. So we're just gonna see. It says serums and creams, 24-hour moisturizer, serum and SPF 30, 1 week to glowing, healthier looking skin. Formulated without mineral oil, paraben dyes, no animal derived, bottle without pump, is made of 100% recycled plastic. We track biodegradable water footprint of our formulas, produced in a plant powered by 63% renewable energy. So yeah, so it has, okay, so I guess this is like a 2 products for like a 3-step system or whatever. So they have the Brighten one, which is vitamin C and pineapple. The Replump, which is hyaluronic acid and watermelon. And the Perfect Pores, which has vitamin B, cannabis, stevia, seed oil. Green Labs combines superfood plus dermatology ingredients to create an efficient solution for glowing, healthy looking skin and being mindful of the planet. So this is how all 3 sets look. I did remember them asking me if I want to try something with cannabis in it, and I told them no, I remember. So yeah. So they didn't send me the Brighten one with the pineapple. I love pineapples. They sent me the Replump one with hyaluronic acid and watermelon. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this Replumping one says, it has SPF 30 in it. Hyaluronic melon. It says it's dehydrated skin, fine lines formulas. Vegan formula. I don't think my skin is dehydrated. I think my skin is too oily. And that's one of my concerns on the actual website is the oiliness. So, I don't know if dehydration causes oiliness. It's probably not, since it is moisture. So, this is how it looks. There's no lid or anything. And it has a little thing right there. So yeah, let me see what the direction says. It says the power of a replumping serum, skin will plumper in 1 week, fast absorbing, oil-free, sinks into the skin, replenishes moisture within 24 hours, decreases the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by sun, as directed for sun protective measure. Bouncier, smoother skin. Skin looks instantly smoother. Skin looks more elastic in 3 days. Fine lines look reduced over time. Tested and demonstrated to work on all skins, types, and skin tones. Allergy tested, dermatology tested for safety. Gentle, suitable for sensitive skin. Non-comedogenic, I don't know what that means. And no white residue. So this is the directions on the side. Okay, so it doesn't tell you when you should use it. Okay, hold on. For sunscreen use, okay, so you can use this for sunscreen. So I guess that's part of like the 3-in-1. So it says for sunscreen use, apply 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply every 2 hours. Use water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Sun protection measures, spending time in the sun increases your risk of cancer, blah, blah. Limit time in the sun, especially from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Wear long sleeve shirts, pants, hats, sunglasses. Okay. Oh my gosh. So that's tips for this. But it doesn't tell you what time to use it, like at night or something like that. Okay, so how to use it. Step 1, just replace this serum cream with your daily moisturizer, serum, and sunscreen. So I guess you can use it as your moisturizer, your serum, and your sunscreen. So that's basically what that's telling you. Okay, so this is the other one. It says Smoothie Milky Wash. Let me take the plastic off this. I literally just cut the packaging open so I can do an unboxing on camera, because it did come in an all white package to my P.O. box. I can't even get this open. Okay, so it doesn't have a protective cover. It looks just like this. It looks jelly. It smells good. Okay, so the directions for this, it says wet face and gently massage into a damp skin. Rinse off or pat dry. In case of direct contact with eye, rinse thoroughly with water. So this Milky Wash removes makeup and impurities for smooth, glowing skin without the tight, dry feel. Enjoy this soft, indulgent formula inspired by juicy superfood watermelon. Mixed with dermatology ingredient hyaluronic acid. Okay, so this can be used as a makeup remover. So I'm going to use this tonight when I wash this makeup off my face. So we're going to see how good this works and how it feels. And I might just end up just killing it off with this. So yeah, I'm excited to try it. And this is 4.4 fluid ounces. This is big. And this other one is 2.4. I guess because it can be used as a serum and stuff. So the serum, they always make them smaller. Okay, so yeah. I don't know what they retail for, if they're actually out yet. But let me try to see if I can pull it up. Okay, so this one retails for $21.99. And it is 2.4 fluid ounces. I googled it. It's on Ulta. I haven't seen it anywhere else. And then this retails for $9.99. Also on Ulta. So yeah. And I imagine the serum would be higher because it is a serum. It's a serum cream. So serums usually are around that price for drugstore serums or whatever. But like the regular, like expensive ones, sometimes those can get up to $200. Again, I got this from Influencer.com. But in order to be like eligible for the boxes, they make you download the app. This is how you spell it. I used to have a sign up code link. If I still have it, I'll give it to you guys. I don't make any money or anything off of it. But yeah. And again, this box is the Green Labs by Garnier. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video, like this video, share this video. My social media is down below. If you want to follow any on those. And my Mink Eyelash Store, AffordableMinkLashes.com. Use the code YouTube for a discount. And you get free shipping when you order over $30. Any other questions, comments, or concerns, just leave it down below and I'll be sure to answer you to my best abilities. Thank you for watching again, guys.